Tango Oscar, downwind.
Okay, it's just me again.
Tractor 1, vacate runway.
Let's go.
Tractor 1.
Lima Tango Oscar, downwind, stop go, main pad.
Tractor 1's vacated, 06.
Clear, stop and go, main pad, Lima Tango Oscar.
Lima Tango Oscar, so you was with Sydney, main pad cleared, stop and go.
Alright, so this is going to be 3 regular touch and goes, and then a full stop.
Clear touch and go, 06, Bravo Mark X-ray.
I don't know what happened to this camera. Just lost attempt.
And of tower, Squadron November Kilo Charlie, we're just over MacArthur Bridge, 1800.
November Kilo Charlie.
Okay, forget about the side camera, we don't need it. And there's a chopper up there. Okay, flaps are up, magnetors are on both, nav and strobe are on. QNH is set, compass and directional indicator are synced. Trim for takeoff. Okay, stop. Torpedo switch, not required.
Camden Tower, Bravo Mark X-ray, request landing runway 10 for a full stop.
Mix is rich.
Bravo Mike X-ray, to change your runway 10.
Isn't the pace in the green.
And I will...
Alright, switch is lighting, transponder set to 3000 and altimeter checked.
Join left base runway run 10, number 1, Bravo Mark X-ray, thanks.
Camden Tower, Julia Bravo Charlie at runway 06, holding point Alpha, ready for solo circuits.
Bravo Charlie, Camden Tower, runway 06, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 06, holding point Alpha, Julia Bravo Charlie. Okay, cleared for takeoff.
Tango Oscar, remain outside of the
helicopter
Cessna,
up there. Alright, full throttle. Pace and pace are green, 40 knots, 50 knots, 60 knots, and rotate.
Tractor 1, enter 06. Enter 06, tractor 1. Bravo Mike X-ray, keep the second
Touchdown. Take up a bit of speed, it's better.
Bravo Mark X-ray.
500 feet. Needs a piece on the green, flaps are up.
Lima Tango Oscar now.
Lima Tango Oscar.
Slightly to remain outside of the Cessna on wind downwind, that's
700 feet.
Copy, tracking outside of the Cessna, all downwind, Lima Tango Oscar.
800 feet. Clear right, clear center, clear left.
Bravo Mike X-ray, runway 10, please land.
Bit of right rudder.
Further land runway 10, Bravo Mark X-ray.
75 knots. Pitch down. Come out of the roll now.
Lima Tango Oscar, downwind, stop and go, main pad.
1300 feet.
Lima Tango Oscar, main pad number 1.
Main pad number 1, Lima Tango Oscar.
Trim.
Tower November Kilo Charlie, could you give me a wind check, please?
Clear right.
On the ground,
Yes,
it's
sir.
currently 360 degrees at 3 knots.
Reduce off here.
Wind
Left
flow
turn.
glider 24 for a return. I'm just over the river here now at 1,100.
30 degrees. 1,300 feet.
November Kilo Charlie, affirmative. Arrival glider 24 approved.
24 approved. November Kilo Charlie, thank you.
Lima Tango Oscar, main pad cleared, stop and go.
Clear main pad, stop and go, Lima Tango Oscar.
Julia Bravo Charlie downwind for touch and go.
Bravo Charlie, runway 06, number 1.
Runway 06, number 1. Julia Bravo Charlie. BUMFISH. Brakes. Undercarriage. Mix is rich. Fuel is sufficient. T's and P's are in the green. DI is good. On both nav strobe, maintaining my altitude.
Mike X-ray, taxi to parking, monitor ground.
Fuel selector on.
Taxi to parking,
both.
100 ground, profit parking.
Passes are secure. The threshold 1800 RPM. Safe speed for flap 1. Maintain my speed. Just pitch up a little.
And November Kilo Charlie's doing a U-turn now and
Little more downwind.
Slide at 24.
November Kilo Charlie.
75 knots. Bit more. Okay, clear right, center, left turn, 1500 RPM. Right, 20 degrees flap, 1500 RPM. Pitch down for 75 knots. Oh. Okay, I got 75 knots.
Lima Tango Oscar at main pad,
Clear right.
upwind departure.
Center.
Lima Tango Oscar, depart upwind, main pad cleared for takeoff.
You're right.
Main pad, clear to takeoff, upwind departure, Lima Tango Oscar.
Check my speed.
Tractor 1, vacate runway.
Tractor 1. Tractor 1's vacated 06.
Tractor 1. Till Bravo Charlie, runway 06, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 06, Julia Bravo Charlie. Full flap. .75 knots. Just put it on idle. 70 knots. Pitch up a little, 70 knots, that's better. 70 knots. Idle.
Excellent job, Donnie.
Round up. Whoa, bit rough.
That's an excellent job.
Retract flap and off for circuit 2. 50 knots. 60 knots. Rotate. Pitch up.
Tractor 1, enter 06.
Enter 06, Tractor 1.
25 knots, so T's and P's in the green. X is rich, flaps up. Runway behind. 700 feet. 1300. Clear right, clear center, clear left, left turn. 15 degrees, right rudder.
Around, good morning, Cessna 172, Charlie Foxtrot, India over the fuel buzzer request, taxi for departure.
Charlie Foxtrot, India, Camden, good morning, taxi to holding point Alpha runway 06.
T2 runway 06, good morning, good Charlie Foxtrot, India.
Round out. I forgot that Greg is not on, so I got the 1300 feet way before normal. Alright, get back to 1300 feet. Trim. Clear right, clear center, clear left. Left turn. Pitch down again to get my altitude right. Okay, that's it. A little more with the turn and round out now. Okay. Julia Bravo Charlie downwind for touch and go.
Bravo Charlie number 1.
Number 1, Julia Bravo Charlie. Alright, brakes, undercarriage, mix is rich, fuel is sufficient. P's and P's are in the green, DI and QNH set. Magnetism both.
Morning, Camden ground, copy of Victor Mike Sierra at hangar 58, request start and taxi for circuit with information Alpha.
Victor Mike Sierra, Camden ground, start taxi to holding point Alpha runway 06.
Lost some altitude.
Start and taxi to holding point Alpha runway 06, Victor Mike Sierra.
Flap 1. Fuel select on both and hatches and harnesses are secure. Alright. Sit. Clear right, clear center, clear left, left turn, 1500 RPM. Let's get to 75 knots. RPM.
Outside information, Bravo's current changes in variable 5, knots coastal delivered 3, knots temperature 25, and gliding operations in progress, information Bravo.
Okay, variable wind 5 knots now. Degrees flap.
Tail pocket 21.
Knots.
Okay, 21.
It's 21, just, is there any gliders operating at the moment?
Negative, no gliders on at the moment.
Sure.
Tractor 1, vacate runway. Tractor 1.
All clear on the left, clear on center.
Tractor 1, vacate
right
at
clear,
0.
center clear,
Tractor 1.
left clear.
Bravo Charlie, runway 06, clear touch and go.
Runway 06, clear touch and go, Julia Bravo Charlie. Okay, lining up. Full flap, 75 knots. Knots on final. Pitch up a little. 70 knots idle. Whoa. That's good. Knots stable on the center line and idle. And round up now. Very nice. I like that. Alright, 50 knots. Where's number 2? 60 knots, rotate. Pitch up.
One answer, runway 06.
Runway behind me, T's and P's are in the green. Heading, fixed out heading. Pitch up to get my speed to best. Climb speed, 75 knots. And the flaps are up. Alright, 800 feet. A little more. Clear right, clear center, clear left. Left turn.
Camden Tower, Cherokee Foxtrot Zulu Whiskey 1 nautical mile to the east of Prince Shelley, 1,800 in receipt of Bravo, inbound for circuits.
Foxtrot Zulu Whiskey, Camden Tower, join downwind runway 06, maintain 1,800
feet.
Join downwind for runway 06, maintain 1,800.
Pull back on throttle. 1,300 feet. Trim. Clear right, clear center, clear left.
Camden Tower, g'day, Park Air 21, Springhelly 1,500 inbound for circuits.
Park Air 21, Camden Tower, join downwind for the main bed 06 direction, maintain 1,800.
Downwind for the main pad, maintaining 1,800 and got the other aircraft inbound, visual Park Air 21.
Okay, 21, thanks.
Come to ground, Cessna 172, Charlie Papa, got back dual at Scout Hangar,
Brakes.
requesting a taxi
Undercarriage.
for crosswind departure, receipt of Bravo.
Fuel is sufficient.
Park Air Camden ground,
Instruments are in the
point
green.
Alpha, runway
Heading
06.
is good. Altitude is good.
Holding point Alpha, runway 06, Charlie
stroke
Papa,
on.
back.
Trim for the speed. Julia Bravo Charlie, late downwind for touch and go.
Bravo Charlie 06, number 1.
Runway 06, number 1, Julia Bravo Charlie. Alright.
Park Air 21,
Brochure.
request stops on the glider strip until they become airborne, not above
Reach
1,000.
threshold, so 1800 RPM.
Park
Maintain
Air
the
21
altitude.
gliders, ships not available today, gliders are in operation.
Trim. Speed is good for 10-degree flap.
At Camden Tower, Victor
Pitch
Hotel
down.
Oscar has just passed Whiskey India,
Maintain altitude.
4,100. Visual with
Fix
Bravo
my
and
heading.
requesting the minima if available,
Alright.
limit approach.
Clear right.
Tower Oscar,
Clear center.
advise, track
Clear
line
left.
whiskey approach not below 1,800, visual reporting in 3 miles.
Track by the IMP, not below
30 degree
1,800 and
turn.
Victor Hotel Oscar.
Foxtrot Zulu Whiskey turns downwind, runway 06, touch and go.
1500 RPM.
Zulu Whiskey, clear visual approach runway 06, number 2, follow Cessna turning place.
Cleared visual approach, number 2 looking for traffic, Foxtrot Zulu Whiskey.
20-degree flap. Alright. 70 knots. Let's make that 75. And I've got 20-degree flap. Trim. Pitch down. Pitch down.
Tractor 1, vacate runway.
Tractor 1.
Clear right. Clear center. Clear left.
Tractor 1, vacated 06.
Tractor 1. Bravo Charlie, runway 06, clear touch and go.
Runway 06, clear touch and go. Julia Bravo Charlie.
Park Air 21,
Full
just joined downwind for auto to the main pad.
Park Air 21, cleared visual approach, main pad, cleared stop and go.
70 knots.
Cleared stop and go from main pad, Park Air 21.
And cleared visual approach.
And clear visual approach, Park Air 21.
70 knots.
Tower Oscar, the minima will not be available on this run. This is not below 1,800 visual.
Descend not below 1,800 visual, thanks Victor Hotel Oscar.
70 knots. See the wind sock is flat. Alright, round up 65 knots. Alright. flap up. And full throttle for circuit 3. 60 knots. Pull up.
Fox Zulu Whiskey, runway 06, clear touch and go.
Trim.
Clear touch and go.
He's in the green. Flaps are up. 65 knots. Climb speed and runway is behind me. 500 knots.
And Victor Hotel,
600
of
feet.
man continued descent to the minima, report established in the missed approach.
So this is going to be a full stop.
Continue descent to the minima and report
800 feet.
Approach Victor Hotel.
Continue the climb. Clear right. Clear center. Clear left. Left turn. 15 degrees. Climb turn. Bit of right rudder. Sit. 1200 feet. Reaching 1300 feet. Come out of the roll now, 1300 feet. That's it. Reduce RPMs. And trim. Clear right. Clear center. Clear left.
Tower, Cessna 123 Charlie Fox India, holding point Alpha runway 06, ready for a cross departure on climb to 4,500, tracking towards Royal Camden Dam.
Charlie Fox India, Camden Tower, hold position.
Position Charlie Fox India.
Reduce RPMs. 1300 RPM.
Parker 21, maintain the downwind until advised.
I mean,
Traffic
1300
in the go around. We'll make a right.
Right. Julia Bravo Charlie, downwind for full stop.
9 Titan, downwind will code 21.
Undercarriages.
Bravo Charlie 06, number 1.
Runway 06, number 1, Julia Bravo Charlie.
Parker 21, base 10 approved.
Face in the green. Spacing is good, heading is good, magnetism both, nav, strobe, good, mix is rich, fuel is sufficient.
And 21 for a stop go order, man.
Touches and harnesses are secure.
Parker 21,
on the threshold.
approve main speed, cleared stop and go.
1800 altitude.
Okay, 21.
Maintain altitude.
And it's,
Pitch up a little bit because I've lost a
Victor,
little bit of altitude.
Victor Hotel Oscar, report passing
That's it.
1
Safe speed for 10 flap.
Level
And fuel
2000
selectors
Victor
on both.
Charlie Foxtrot, India.
80 knots.
Depart crosswind, runway 06, cleared for takeoff.
You can see a helicopter
Crosswind
over the runway.
Crosswind, clear for takeoff, Charlie Fox India.
Okay, now left turn. Clear right. Clear center. Clear left.
Confirming depart on climb, Charlie Fox India.
Negative at this stage, I'll advise.
Charlie Fox India.
We want 75
And
knots.
Victor Hotel Oscar is passing 2000.
Victor Hotel Oscar, I have contact city center
1500 RPM.
124.55.
124.55 Victor Hotel Oscar.
There's a threshold. And 20-degree flap. Roll out of the turn. 1500 RPM.
Camden Tower, Victor Mike Sierra at holding point Alpha, runway 06, ready for seconds.
75 knots.
I'll give you a call later. Come back on 64 maybe. I'll ask you.
Victor Mike Sierra, Camden Tower, hold position.
Hold position, Victor Mike Sierra.
Charlie Pioneer for copy.
Clear right. Clear center. Clear left. Left turn.
Tower Tractor 1, I'll continue mowing outside the runway strip, remaining clear at all times until the circuit empties.
Tractor 1, copy, remain outside.
Foxtrot Zulu Whiskey, late downwind, touch and go.
Fox Zulu Whiskey number 2, follow Cessna, turning final.
Number 2, have the
30
traffic
degrees.
inside, Foxtrot Zulu Whiskey.
75 knots.
21, downwind for stop go order, man.
Parker 21, main pit, cleared stop and go.
This stop go, thanks for purchase.
Bravo Charlie, runway 06, clear to land.
Runway 06, clear to land. Julia Bravo Charlie. Alright, just get back on the center line. A bit off to the left. Alright, it's better. Bit of throttle. 75
Charlie
knots.
Fox India, leave controls and climbing.
Control 3, climbing Charlie Foxtrot India.
70 knots. And idle. And round up. Right. Let's pull off for aerodynamic braking and some brakes.
Uniform was glider November Kilo Charlie for 3,000 feet, ready, 06 glider.
Charlie Papa Uniform Camden Tower, glider 06 departure approved.